Assalamu alaikum. I am your social studies teacher. This video is for grade 3. Today we are going to discuss about landforms. Do you have any idea what are landforms? Landform is not plain. It has many different forms known as landforms. Each type of landform is defined by its shape, size, location, and what is made of. Let's see the first type, that is island. Can you see in the picture? This is island. You can see that this is a piece of land which is covered with water. The water is covered the piece of land. The water covered the piece of land. This means it is island. A piece of land covered with water. Now lake. The area of water covered with land. It is the opposite of island. As you can see the picture, it is the opposite of island. Only one piece is land. Here the only one area, the small part is water, the other part is land. Bay. Now, bay is a part of a sea or lake that is surrounded by land from three sides. As you can see that it is a sea or lake and its three sides. Only one part is water, the other part are land. The other part are land. This is bay. Cliff, a steep rock by the seashore. It is formed due to erosion and weathering. Erosion means these rocks erode with the water. With the water. Weathering means these rocks break into small pieces, and that makes cliff. Waterfall. Waterfall can form by melting the ice or snow from the mountain, and it flows from a great height. It flows too fast. The next is mountains. Huge steep mass of rock that rise above the land. It has a peak which can either be pointed or jagged. It is formed from the slow movement of the earth. So, how can mountain forms? Tectonic plate movement under the earth's surface can create landform by pushing up mountains and hills. Valley. Lowland area. Lowland area between hills or mountains. There are two types of valleys, V-shaped valley or U-shaped valley. V-shaped valley are formed by the flowing of river. U-shaped valley are formed by the glaciers. Desert. Desert are hot and sandy place with very little rainfall. It is difficult to survive in desert. Only camel can survive in desert because camels store huge amount of water in it. The next hill, round but not very steep, rise above the land and shorter in height. Hills are lower than mountains but higher than their surrounding areas. River, large stream of naturally flowing water that ends up into the sea. The end of the river is river's mouth and the river joins the sea. Plateau. Plateau are flat highland that are separated from the surrounding due to steep slope. Coast, long stretch area of land along the sea. Beach, area of land covered with sand, shingles, and pebbles running along the sea. As you can see, we have an example of Sea View, Hawke's Bay. These all are beaches. Sea, large body of water, salty water that covers much of the earth. Ocean, ocean is deeper than sea. It is also salty water and it is made up of many seas. I hope you understand the chapter. For better understanding, you have to read the chapter. And if you have any question, you can ask in the Google Classroom. Thank you so much.